I skipped the garden aisle at Dollar Tree entirely, and came back with the most genius garden hacks I've ever tested. Some of these will make your garden look like it belongs in a magazine, and some will save you from overwatering disasters, all without spending a fortune. Today I'm putting 10 brand new hacks to the test, and I'll be completely honest about which ones wowed me, and which ones, well, flopped spectacularly. You're about to see ideas that are fun, surprising, and honestly a little ridiculous in the best way. Before we dive in, I want to know, where are you watching from? I love seeing all the different gardens and spaces my viewers are working with. And if you're excited to transform your own backyard without breaking the bank, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any of these epic Dollar Tree garden hacks. Let's get started and see which ones will blow your mind. Hack number 1. The Dollar Tree Garden Arch. This first hack is all about instant drama and curb appeal. The Dollar Tree Garden Arch. Using just 10 of their metal mini trellises and a handful of zip ties, you can create a full-size arch that's roughly 6 feet wide and 5 feet tall. No power tools, no complicated instructions, just connect the trellises together, stake it into the ground, and watch your garden transform. Climbing plants like morning glories, sweet peas, or climbing roses at the base make it feel lush and luxurious. And the best part, the whole thing costs less than $15. It's the kind of hack that makes people stop mid-walk, take a second look, and ask where you got it. The time-lapse of building it is ridiculously satisfying to watch, and when it's finished, it has that wow factor that belongs in a high-end garden center, without the high-end price tag. Guests will think you spent hundreds, maybe even $1,000, on a custom arch. It's fast, fun, and completely customizable, so you can adjust the height and width for any space. Honestly, this is the hack that's going to make your garden look like it was professionally designed, and it's the perfect way to kick off our list of Dollar Tree garden surprises. Hack number 2. Vegetable storage container as a self-watering planter. Hack number 2 is all about sneaky genius, turning a simple Dollar Tree vegetable storage container into a self-watering planter. These containers come with a removable inner basket and a solid outer tub, and together they create the perfect wicking system for your plants. Just fill the inner basket with soil and your favorite herbs, small veggies, or strawberries, pour water into the outer tub, and let capillary action do the rest. The roots naturally draw up moisture, keeping your plants hydrated for days without constant attention. It's essentially a $30 self-watering planter for just over $1, and the results are surprisingly impressive. Setting it up is almost too easy. Just pop the basket in, add soil, plant, and water. You can line up a few of these along a windowsill, balcony, or porch, and suddenly you have a mini self-watering garden that looks clean, modern, and professional. Watching the water slowly wick into the soil is oddly satisfying, and it's a perfect hack for anyone who's ever forgotten to water or wants to keep plants happy while away. Honestly, this one might become your go-to solution for low-maintenance gardening. Hack number 3. Rope twine as a vacation watering wick system. Hack number 3 is pure simplicity with a touch of brilliance, using Dollar Tree natural cotton rope or twine as a watering wick system. Instead of watering each pot individually, you can connect multiple plants to one central water reservoir. Just place one end of the rope in a bucket or bowl filled with water, and bury the other end an inch into the soil of your potted plant. Capillary action does all the work, pulling moisture slowly into the soil over time. It's perfect for keeping plants hydrated while you're on vacation, and it's almost ridiculous how effective it is considering it costs just pennies. You can set up 4 or 5 plants from a single bucket, and once it's running, you barely have to think about it. It's also oddly satisfying to watch the rope slowly draw water into each pot, almost like magic. This hack works with almost any container and plant type, making it one of the most versatile, low-cost watering solutions out there. For anyone who loves plants but hates constant watering, this is a game changer. Simple, elegant, and shockingly effective. Hack number 4. Full greenery trellis privacy screen. Hack number 4 is all about instant impact and a little bit of garden magic. creating a full greenery privacy screen using Dollar Tree trellises and artificial vines. Take 4 to 6 metal trellises, connect them side by side with zip ties, and weave in Dollar Tree artificial greenery or vine stems. In minutes you have a lush full panel that hides ugly fences, air conditioning units or any spot in your yard that needs a makeover. No watering, no upkeep, and it looks instantly alive. Perfect for creating a cozy, stylish garden nook without any of the work real plants require. The transformation is dramatic. A plain fence or wall suddenly looks like a high-end garden feature. You can even spray a UV protectant on the greenery to keep it vibrant under the sun. Guests will walk by and never guess it's fake, and you can style it with seating, lights or small planters for extra flair. This hack is all about the visual wow factor. It's fast, easy, and the kind of garden upgrade that feels like it belongs in a professional design magazine, even though it cost almost nothing. Hack number 5. Pet treat canister as a statement planter. Hack number 5. Takes an ordinary Dollar Tree pet treat canister and turns it into a sleek modern statement planter. These large cylindrical canisters are perfect for taller plants like snake plants, anthuriums, or even tall herbs. Simply drill a few drainage holes in the bottom, spray paint the exterior in a matte black, terracotta, or any bold color, and fill it with soil and your plant of choice. The result is a tall, stylish planter that looks like it belongs in a boutique garden shop, all for just a couple of dollars. The transformation is seriously satisfying to watch. From plain canister to painted, planted, and styled, it immediately elevates any porch, patio, or indoor corner. Guests will be shocked when you tell them what it used to be. It's one of those hacks that feels like cheating in the best way. It's functional, beautiful, and shows how even the simplest Dollar Tree items can be completely reimagined with just a little creativity and effort. Hack number 6. Dollar Tree Shoe Organizer Vertical Wall Planter. Hack number 6 is perfect for anyone looking to maximize space while adding a splash of greenery. The Dollar Tree Shoe Organizer turned vertical garden. Look specifically for organizers made from polypropylene fabric, the same durable material used in landscape fabrics, because this one won't crack or melt under the sun like cheaper plastics. Cut small drainage slits in each pocket, fill them with soil, and plant herbs, succulents, or trailing flowers. Then simply hang it on a fence, wall, or railing, and instantly you have a lush vertical garden that feels professional and full. The key to this hack is knowing what to look for at the store. Show your audience the fabric label so they don't end up with a bag that collapses in days. With the right organizer, this hack transforms bare walls into living, thriving green spaces. It's compact, visually striking, and functional, making it perfect for small patios, balconies, or any area where floor space is limited. Plus, it's completely customizable. Mix and match plants for color, texture, and height, and suddenly your wall becomes the centerpiece of your garden. Hack number 7. Scalloped clear container as a floating display pond centerpiece. Hack number 7 is a total curveball, taking a simple Dollar Tree clear scalloped container from the party aisle and transforming it into a stunning floating display centerpiece. Fill it with water, drop in a few floating candles, scatter some glass gems on the bottom, and add fresh cut flowers on top. Instantly you have an elegant outdoor table feature that looks like it belongs at a spa or a fancy garden party. Yet it costs less than $5 and requires zero electricity. The magic of this hack is in the styling. Place it on your patio table at dusk, light the candles, and the effect is mesmerizing. You can change out flowers seasonally for fresh looks, or swap in colorful gems to match your garden's vibe. It's simple, elegant, and absolutely Pinterest-worthy, turning an ordinary table into a focal point without any complicated setup. Guests will be convinced you spent way more than you actually did, and it's one of those small hacks that delivers maximum wow for minimum effort. Hack number 8. Party Tray Shallow Bird Bath. Hack number 8 is both charming and surprisingly thoughtful, turning a Dollar Tree plastic party tray into a shallow, safe bird bath. Most store-bought bird baths are way too deep, which can be dangerous for small birds or make it hard for them to perch. By placing a shallow tray on a stack of terracotta pots, you instantly create a perfectly safe water source. That's the ideal height for birds to drink and bathe. Adding a few pebbles in the center gives tiny perches so birds can stand securely while sipping water. This simple setup looks cute, keeps your feathered friends safe, and adds a touch of movement and life to your garden. What makes this hack really special is the joy it brings. Watching the birds interact with your creation over the course of a few days is incredibly rewarding. It's a small addition that makes your garden feel alive and connected to nature, and it's almost effortless to maintain. Plus, the stackable pots and tray combo allows you to adjust the height and location as needed, making it versatile for any outdoor space. It's one of those hacks that's inexpensive, functional, and genuinely heartwarming. A tiny gesture that makes a big difference for wildlife in your backyard. Hack number 9. Quilt batting and cooling racks as a DIY pond filter. Hack number 9 is one of the most unexpected and genuinely brilliant ideas in this series, turning Dollar Tree synthetic quilt batting and cooling racks into a DIY pond filter. If you have a small garden pond or fountain, this simple combination can dramatically improve water clarity. Sandwich a piece of batting between two cooling racks, secure it with a binder clip, and place it over your pump intake or at the entry of your skimmer. The batting catches algae, debris and muck before it ever reaches your pump, preventing clogs and keeping your pond water looking crystal clear. It's a hack nobody talks about, yet the visual payoff is immediately satisfying. Setting it up is almost too easy, and the results are shockingly effective. You can see the difference in a matter of hours. Murky green water becomes clear and inviting. When the batting gets clogged, simply replace it. Each sheet costs mere cents, making it an affordable reusable solution for pond maintenance. This hack not only keeps your water feature running smoothly, but also transforms it into a clean, beautiful focal point in your garden. It's clever, practical, and the kind of idea that makes you wonder why no one thought of it before. A true hidden gem among Dollar Tree hacks. Hack number 10. Trellis scrollwork mounted as garden wall art. Hack number 10 is all about turning ordinary Dollar Tree metal trellises into striking outdoor wall art. Instead of letting them sit in the corner or use them only for climbing plants, hang the trellises flat against a fence or wall, and spray paint them in bold colors like black, gold, or white. For an added living touch, wire a small planter or pot to the center and fill it with a trailing plant or herb. Grouping 3 trellises at varying heights creates a gallery wall effect that transforms a plain outdoor space into a stylish curated garden feature that looks straight out of a boutique shop. The beauty of this hack is how simple it is, yet how high impact the results feel. What used to be a basic flat metal trellis suddenly becomes a statement piece, blending art with life. You can style it seasonally, add lighting, or mix in other small decorative elements to keep your outdoor space dynamic and fresh. At under $6 for the whole installation, it's one of those hacks that makes people do a double take, convinced you spent a fortune when in reality, you just reimagined something from the Dollar Tree. It's the perfect final hack to round out a list of surprising, stylish, and insanely affordable garden upgrades. And there you have it. Dollar Tree just became my favorite garden design store, and I'm not even sorry about it. These hacks prove you don't need a big budget to make your garden look incredible, add style, or keep your plants happy. From sleek planters to clever watering solutions and elegant decor touches, it's amazing what a little creativity and a few simple items can do. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these hacks made your jaw drop? Have you tried any of these ideas before? Or do you have your own Dollar Tree garden secret? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what you're creating. And if you love these hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any future garden transformations. Let's keep making our outdoor spaces beautiful, fun, and full of surprises.